Welcome to day 30. So very congratulations to completing this like a huge task, and it's a great achievement for you. So once again thank you so much, and it's what like a long time we are with us, and from May 1st to like today is May 31st. So officially yesterday was our day 30, but we are uploading the video one day after. So today is the last video of our journey. So we will continue this journey like this month, coming month, or might be some another month, with this type of series like 30-day bootcamp, 150 days bootcamp. We have also like a 150 days bootcamp in our Telegram support group, so you can just join our Telegram support group, keep updated, and be in the chain, and be the like be the change which you want to like experiencing or want to like transform. So today we are going to discuss our like whatever the benefit, experience, and testimonials we got in these 30 days, and whatever the achievement we got. So 30 days of NoPep challenge. So let's start. So once again, congratulations. So what I experienced with these 30 days. So according to the people, and so many people, and watching a lot of videos, like hundreds of video, and seeing so many website, and like a research. So it's not a problem. It's also in the medical, or in some expert, it is not considered as a addiction or like a problem. But if you understand the symptoms, or understand the drawbacks, and understand the like characteristics, so now it's like so much hooking up, or we have already discussed about the how it's when it's just arises in mind, and then it will be bonded with our physical phenomena, and it's become like dopamine addiction. So second one, but like the thing is, it's not a problem, but you just decide yourself ki either it's worth or not. So if it is not worth it, then you have to be quit, and it's to be apply your time in better way. So like you just assume you are spending one day for watching porn or some this kind of stuff, just average, but in your mind or in your thought, like more than 6 hours or not, like it's like sometimes every day when you have the frequency of masturbation, and now you are just thinking it's out of control. So if you consider 1 hour a day, so in 365 days you have just spending 365 days to watching porn, or just we are excluding the time you have search, or you have just now go through the internet and all the kind of things. So who will this accountable for this much loss? Means 15 days is nearby half a month. So if you just invest in your half a month, means 15 days in any kind of website or any kind of learning platform, so you can acquire some skills, or it will be like mind blowing. It will give you like a huge benefit in your like achieving the big dream, and it's called like $1 billion dream. So these are the things you have to understand, the thing you have to utilize your time. We have already discussed like context management or all the things. So you have to manage the things, you have to understand the problem. So it's not a problem, but you have to understand the problem, and you have to get out of it. It's not at all like we have already discussed like there is a difference between porn and sex, so you have to understand this. So let's discuss about the benefits, whatever the benefits the people whoever they associated with this challenge, joined this challenge, whatever they are saying. So they stated like they have a huge stability and calmness in their thought. Means right now there is a so brain fog, fuzziness around their mind, but right now they have a stable and very less thought, and it's not like just irritating with themselves. So they have also stated that they have less sexual thought or less sexual urge. Means right, they have previously like huge all the kind of we have already discussed like our like imagination, and just mind works over the picture. So that kind of picture get reduced, and it's like very pleasant moment for them by observing these kind of things. Drastically reduce of fantasizing. Means whenever they are seeing like opposite gender or someone or some movie, or even scrolling some media stuff, or that kind of no stuff we have already discussed in like how social media, how the other platform are like hooking us, and just we are in trap. So it's like huge reduce in that kind of thought as well. So like also people suggested that before they are unable to recall the OTP, means 4-digit OTP, 6-digit OTP. Right now after this challenge they have claimed that like there is a sharp increase in their memory and concentration as well. So as we have discussed, in the morning time, evening time, or generally whenever we are flooded with this kind of thought, then having like a now every time like we feel as a owner, so that leads to obviously needs like a preceding work, or you can say the emotional attachment as well. So it leads to the urge, and then finally we have to be like out of control and just be masturbate. So no, there is a huge reduction in the boner, and this kind of activity they have. So they always feel like now they have more time, like they are spending few like hours, or like the whole time in fantasizing, so they feel more time, and like they have extra time they have right now. So more urge to financially independent and keep growing. Means right now they have like realized the things, and then they just want to keep growing and do the explore the things. So really sense the thought either it is giving instant gratification, means, or it is a trap, or really mean it. Means they are able to understand the instant gratification versus delete gratification. Means yes, no, means either they have to follow the no, or either they have to do the action. So they really clearly see either it is giving a like instant gratification or delayed gratification. So as well, they also stated, and so many people said that they have see a huge improvement in their health. Means like right now they are feeling so energetic, and like there is a dullness before. Right now there is a feeling more energetic as well. So just we are seeing some testimonial how the people are saying, and how the comments on YouTube and some other like WhatsApp and platform we got. So just see one by one. So like they have very appreciable feedback, they have like a huge encouragement. Means they get this kind of content the first time at a whole. Everything is considered and everything is like day by day, so it's like a huge benefit for them. It's common but need to understand, they also said. So it's not a like a huge problem, or like we have to exaggerate, but we have to understand the problem as well. They want solution and awareness. So many people are addicted to this, or like they want to quit, or because of the like proper solution or awareness, they are just stick into this. So they have understand the problem, and they also found like this information is so meaningful and so helpful as well. They said that this type of awareness must be known. Means for every person, whoever like in teenager or in college or like young, so they have to know the things, and you have to understand the internet, understand the how other media, how the other big firms are like making this kind of things, and you have to take care of things. We always said that you have to utilize the thing. If you are using that thing, though, it's okay. If you are consuming, then it's like a problem. So you just get the work done from all the means of platform or wherever you are spending your time. So just see some pictures of like what the people are saying. So it's really like overwhelming to seeing the comments like this, and I hope you will get a like a huge confidence as well. As so keep connected with in our Telegram support group, and we will in touch. And any kind of problem you have, just keep post your answer question there, and so many people are joined there, so they will try to answer you and in best way. So thank you so much for being with us for 30 days. So it's like a great like relation between us. So it's like a immense pleasure. So having any kind of problem, just comment or message any like anywhere wherever you find, through email, through social media, or through WhatsApp, any kind of things. So at the last, I want to say, so you have to understand the problem, and it's not like a you have to take a pill and you will just get rid of it. You have to understand. You have to prepare psychologically. You have to first try to find out the like the whatever the traps triggers, then you have to eliminate the triggers with something else which is more rewardful or more like meaningful to that thing. So you have to like in place of this addiction, you have to now just replace with some meaningful addiction, you can say. Or we have discussed so many techniques, so you just try some techniques like 5-second rule works. Or you have to keep in mind always golden rule, always keep your hand away. Means it help a lot if you are practicing like so truthfully, or no like so it will like give you a huge difference. So just keep in mind all the things, and just you can watch day 10 video or day 21 video or day 29th video, because there is a summary of day 11 or day 21 and 30 days video. So that's it for today, and see you soon. Thank you so much. Or let's like overcome from this and just assume the better life, and assume the better like the like big dream and all the kind of things. So thank you so much. See you.